Okay, I got this out. That was a little bit of a hassle, but it came out. I made a tool to do it, which doesn't look pretty, but it worked. I need to refine it to make it a little bit better. I guess that's always the case. So anyway, we've got that piece out. So can't see down in there too good. Let's see if we can get it out. Yeah, that part's going to be easier than I expected. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it here. There she is. And is the air tube coming? Oh no, the air tube did not come. Wow. Well, we have the spring out. And it doesn't look too bad to me, but what do I know? Okay, so let's see if we can take a look down the barrel. Okay, I can see the air tube. I can see the air tube. Looking down the other end. Can't tell what I see. Okay, I'm going to take a couple of pictures and still pictures, and before I start to poke that thing out, I'll probably use a wooden dowel to push it out, I hope. Okay, here we go. I took a dowel and I pushed down on the air tube as far as it would go, and it got stuck. So I resorted to a brass rod. I pushed that down the barrel, and here she comes. I don't know what's coming out, but looks like I see the problem. Oh man, okay, well, here we go. It's nice and well oiled, kind of like I expected. Let's put this together. Here we are. We have the plunger or spring, and I guess that's the plunger, the whole assembly. This is broke. Okay, goes together like that. And I'm trying to figure out what all these pieces are. We have a washer that's been, I'm going to guess, bent. And we have the air tube. There's the hole in the air tube right there. There's what now I don't know if it broke. I mean, if there's a piece still in there or if it just came apart. I'm guessing it just came apart. I'm not sure what this piece right here is. Let me wipe it off a little bit and see if I can get a better picture of it. Okay, so looking at this, you can see the indentations where it hit the abutment washer, I believe, right there. That piece itself doesn't look all that bad. The pin is right up against there, so I can see that. And the washer took quite a beating over the years, being up in here in front of the pin. So that's what deformed the washer. Okay. And it looks like this is all one piece. I'll call it the piston for lack of better knowledge. And a little shoulder on it right here. There's the air tube. The air tube itself doesn't look beat up. And from the tip end of it, it looks like it's rolled. But I don't see a seam. I'm pretty sure these at this time wasn't a solid air tube. So that's the only evidence I see right now without a magnifying glass that it was rolled. Okay, taking a second look at this. This was two pieces here. So this would be the abutment bushing that sits up against the abutment washer, and this would be the piston. So okay, I think I've got all my terms right. The metal piece that's in the gun would be the abutment washer. This piece shows the imprint of the abutment washer, and that would be the abutment bushing or the seal. And this would be the piston that slides or moves back and forth in the air chamber. And I'll need a new air tube for sure. I have some new seals. I have these two pieces, I believe, arriving in a couple of days. So I'll have to decide where I'm going to get this piece from, and then we can clean it up a little bit better, get it all back together, and see how she does. All right, that's what happened to it. My guess is if if I hadn't broke, she'd still be shooting. Maybe not real good, but it'd still be shooting. Okay, well, that's let me clean up. That's it for the, I guess this is part 2 of the Daisy Model 94 restoration.